Legal Dictation Exercise 84 Start. The state government thereafter issued a government order dated 6/9/2006, which relates to all the animal slaughterhouses owned by urban local bodies in the state of UP by the said government order, license was to be granted for a minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 10 years. Certain other conditions relating to transparency in granting the license by public action as well as obtaining the mandatory permission from the State Pollution Control Board had also been mentioned, the said police decision was later amended by the state government to the extent that the term of license mentioned in the said government order would be amended as minimum period of 5 years and maximum period of 20 years. The other terms of the said government order were remain the same. By another notification dated 29/9/2009, the constitution of Bid Evaluation Committee was notified in terms of the said government order, which consisted of the Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner as chairman and 6 other members. It may be relevant to mention here that during the intervening period, a contempt petition was filed before the apex court for implementation of its directions issued in the judgment and order dated 7/12/2006. In the said proceedings, the Principal Secretary of the Government of UP submitted a proposal of modern slaughterhouse as also the status report was placed by the Nagar Nigam, Meerut before the Supreme Court, mentioning that land has been acquired for establishment of a modern slaughterhouse. After considering the report of the Nagar Nigam, Meerut, as well as affidavit of the Principal Secretary, the contempt notice was discharged on 23rd/10/2009. Para. In compliance of the directions of the apex court for constructions of modern slaughterhouse as well as the policy decision taken by the state government, an expert consultant firm was appointed for making the complete project report of slaughterhouse in district Meerut. On 11/1/2010, further decision was taken by the state government to the effect that the board of the Nagar Nigam, Meerut shall pass resolution for the construction of modern slaughterhouse, which should be strictly in accordance with the UP Municipal Corporation Act, and the same was to be informed to the Cabinet of Ministers of the state government, and after the approval by the cabinet, the Nagar Nigam was to publish the advertisement for request for qualifications and request for proposal full stop. After completing the formalities and having appointed the expert consultant and getting its report, the Nagar Nigam, Meerut published an advertisement notice on 1/7/2010 inviting tenders of request for qualification for establishment of a new modern slaughterhouse in district Meerut. In the said advertisement, the estimated cost of the project was shown as rupees 100 crore, and the project was to be implemented within 24 months. The pre-application conference was to take place on 6/7/2010, and the last date of application was 13/7/2010 at the office of Municipal Commissioner, Meerut. In respondent to the same, three applications were received, which included the petitioner, para. After examining the applications, the expert consultant examined the RFQs, and expressed its opinion to the BEC that all the three parties were ineligible. Consequently, a fresh advertisement for RFQ was made, in response to which, five applications have been made, out of which two firms were found to be the same, and thus four applicants were invited for discussion by the high powered committee of the state government, where discussions and deliberations were held on several dates. The bids evaluation committee thereafter fixed 8/9/2010 for considering RFQ and RFP of the three short-listed firms. After considering all the applications, the bid evaluation committee in its meeting on 8/9/2010 accepted the bid of the petitioner for developing and constructing the modern slaughterhouse.